go over a short video explaining a trade that we took today with the group. This is the good old price action. So today I called out a trade for buy stops on gold for 20 pips. So I took that on my personal account for around 30 pips. It brought me $309, obviously minus commissions, $304, but that's just beside the point. So today I just want to go over the breakdown. So here's what happened. As I looked at the daily, I realized that gold was bearish, and as explained in our price action videos, when gold, or rather any pair, is bearish, it has to break through two ranges for you to have to change your bias. So this was today's range 2, and here we had today's range 1. Okay, so how did we arrive at this conclusion? So we draw out our zones of support and resistance on supply and demand, whichever you prefer. They're simply the same thing. So when price is bearish, you want price to break through two ranges for you to change your bias. Okay, so this was range 1, this was range 2. Price broke above during almost New York open, pre-London, pre-New York, and as it closed above, we called out long positions at around here. Our stops were at 18 pips, and our take profit was, we expected price to come along and fill this range to the left, so we had our take profits at around 30 pips. So it's as simple as that. I want to stretch out this video, but if you want to learn more, you can join our Telegram, our free Telegram. I call out these trades, and also watch the previous videos on price action on the channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Ask a question in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time.